Racing, looking for a blistering speed at the start of the race, and there's the speed I'm talking about, courtesy of Yes, Show Off is running by the rail, and on the outside comes Terbalak, my Terbalak, the next on line is Show Poking, Coraggioso, Alki comes next, Ayusba, while Himpapawid is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Half-mile distance they traveled. We have the quick is riding, yes, on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 6 lengths lead, and in second Show Off, moving upon the outside is Terbalak, my Terbalak, Coraggioso is running by the rail, Ayusba comes next, Show Poking, Alki, while Himpapawid is still racing in last, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have yes, by about 3 lengths. Terbalak, my Terbalak in second. Coraggioso is running by the rail. Then comes Ayusba with about 100 meters of the race. Yes. Coraggioso moving up down on the inside to take the lead, and finally it's Coraggioso. Yes. Terbalak, my Terbalak, Ayusba.
Okay, 2481 order of arrival natin para